Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hi, how are you? En este video vamos a hablar de modismo, or in this video we are going to talk about idioms. And yes, idioms sounds like a bad word or a swear word or something, but idioms literally is like a saying. Every country has them. I certainly enjoy listening to my mom say them when she spoke in Spanish because they would make no sense when I translated it in my head in English. But if you don't know what an idiom is, Cambridge Dictionary referred to it as this: a group of words in a fixed order that have a particular meaning that is different from the meaning of each word on its own. For example, when somebody asks you, how was the assignment? You'd be like, piece of cake. That kind of thing. Alright, let's start. I'm going to give you 5 idioms that I would hear growing up. Knowing idioms from the language that you're learning is one of the best ways to really start sounding like a native, like throw it in there in a few conversations. We have put in your foot. So I'm going to say it in English first, and then say the saying in Spanish, and then we'll have a guess what it means. Put in the foot. Put the foot in. This one is kind of easy. Metí la pata. Have a guess. If you're thinking it refers to something similar to I put my foot in it, you'll be right. Mira, me encontré con mi amiga ayer y creo que metí la pata. Le pregunté si estaba embarazada. I met my friend yesterday and I think I put my foot in it. I asked her if she was pregnant. Second one. Fill my mug. Filled the mug, really. Can you guess what this one means? Me llenó la taza, or llenó la taza. This one, I hear my mom saying it whenever I kind of annoyed her. It's when you reach your limit, when you've had enough of someone. For example, cuando él dijo eso, me llenó la taza. When he said that, he just filled my cup. That was enough. Reached my limit. Me llenó la taza. She's a plate is the third one. What could that mean? She's a plate. Or if it's a guy, he's a plate. Ella es un plato. She is a plate. Mi amiga Lori es un plato. My friend Lori, she's a plate. Which refers to as she is hilarious. Cuando salgo con ella, ella es un plato. Ella siempre me hace reír, like she makes me laugh. When I go out with her, she's just a really good time. Third one. For fat. I hear my mom say this too. These are all from my mom actually, now that I think about it. For fat. Caer gordo. This one more refers to someone who annoys you. So, like someone you either dislike or someone who you find pretty annoying to be around. Conocí mi nuevo jefe y me cae gordo. I met my new boss and I really don't like him. Last one, half an orange. Half an orange, medio naranja. ¿Dónde está tu medio naranja? Where is half your orange? Where is half your orange? That's your other half. Or in English we call it our better half. If you have any more, don't forget to write a comment. I hope you enjoyed them. I definitely enjoy saying them in English back to my mom because they make no sense. And also write to me on Facebook and give me some of your favorites. I can translate them for you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. My name is Andrea and I will see you in the next video.